everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melanie and I do a variety of videos. My most popular are my food hauls, where I do daily, weekly and weekend food hauls. I also unbox watches and trainers and beauty boxes, subscription boxes, food subscription boxes, healthy eating subscription boxes. I do TK Maxx hauls, B&M hauls, Superdrug. Today's, as you can see, is a beauty box from ASOS. They do one every month. I think they've been doing it since last September. I've got every single one. Last month it was the Clinique box, which I'll link on screen now. That was by far the best one I've had. It was the most expensive at £15, but I am still using the products now. This month's theme is travel and it retails for £12, so I do believe the boxes are going up in price because it was always £10. And I will show you what's in the box. So when you take the lid off, in every single box there is a Go Play card. Everyone says something different, and if you want to read what it says, then pause the video now. So as always, there is a tissue paper. We've never had a cream tissue paper before, so it's nice to have tissue paper. So I'm going to take them out one by one. So the first item is the Rodale Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Tonic Rehydrating Toner with a hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3. Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Tonic. Dragon's Blood comforts and restores through skin hydration. Rosewater refreshes skin. Vitamin B3 helps brighten skin. Hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting hydration. Really like the colour of the bottle. It's not quite showing up. It's slightly brighter than it's showing, and it's a really good size. I've never tried this before, but I'm really looking forward to trying that. The next item is a Glam Glow mask. Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. Apply an even layer to clean skin 2 to 3 times per week. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Wipe off excess and or massage into skin. Perfect for day and night. So I think I tried a Glam Glow a couple of years ago in a similar tube and I liked it, but it's very expensive, so I haven't ever bought a full size, so I'm really happy this is in here. No Problem Primer, Smooth Pore Covering, Touching Sol, 3ml. So it's a primer. I've never even heard of this brand before. It's a very small primer, so if you're going on a long holiday, it probably wouldn't last longer than a few days. I like that it's a really pale pink with the pink lid. And yeah, this is the product I probably wouldn't miss from the box, but I'll try it. The next item is by Quay Hair Care Rose Hair and Body Oil. I wouldn't use it on my body because it's small and it wouldn't last long, and I'd only put this in the ends of my hair. I've wanted to try a Quay hair product for ages, but they're quite expensive. I do have a couple on my ASOS wish list, which eventually I'll get round to buying. So this is going to be good, especially in the heat we're having at the moment. And this is the Emma Hardy Facial Brilliance Oil. I've tried the Moringa Cleansing Balm. I've still got a little bit of it left. I absolutely love it. And it is very luxurious and nice. So I think this is going to be a treat. I'm definitely going to use this every day, and 5ml will last a long time because you don't need a lot. I'm really happy this is in here. And the final item is something I've wanted to try for a very long time. In fact, I've literally got this, the trial size or the travel size, in my ASOS wish list, and it's been in there for ages, and I almost bought it the other day. And it's £10 and this box was £12, so for another £2 I got another 5 products, so I'm glad that I didn't buy it now. And it's the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It's got 4.8 grams, which is a lot because there's a lot of mascaras these days only have about 8 grams in total, so this is value for money. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. So that's everything in the August edition of the ASOS Beauty Box. This is the travel edition, like I said. Looking forward to the items. The only item I'm not too bothered about is the pore primer. I wouldn't have ever picked that up in the shop, but everything else looking forward to. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and check out my blog, which is always linked in the description box because I'll be doing a matching blog post. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification, then you'll be alerted every time I upload another video. I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.